Hi, Mark here from Dang Good Carpet and Furnace Cleaning. We just thought we'd bring into it a little bit of what we do here at Dang Good. A lot of folks say to us, well, you know, what kind of stuff comes out of our furnace and where does it go and how much comes out. So we're gonna do a little video here of what of one of our trucks that we're just cleaning out after a couple of weeks of use. And we're gonna show you guys what actually comes out of furnaces. It's pretty interesting. Anyway, we have Vern here today. He's doing all the hard work, and yeah, we're gonna show you what we do here cleaning one of our trucks. Right, so we got Vernon here. He's all geared up to get this truck. He's got his suit on and everything like that. We're inside one of the trucks. These are all the bags that filter the air. As you can see now, we've cleaned them out already. Wouldn't be much to see there, but we're going to take you a little bit lower here. Vernon, just hold that. Yeah. We'll take you a little bit lower here, and this is where all the dirt goes and debris. And as you can see, it's full. Anyway, so that's definitely ready to be cleaned out. This is this truck's a busy one, so lots of debris there, and this is a large container as well, so it's very big inside. And let's see if we can take you right inside. Second here, get some light in here. And as you can see, folks, this is full. Anyway, we get all kinds of stuff out of this truck or out of people's vents and all that kind of stuff. We're not going to bore you with all the scooping of it out and Vernon getting covered in dust, but that's what it's all about.